Congratulations, you are someone who chose growth over comfort. We believe your video title is this one. So, ever feel like some people just have a secret key to success? They are not the loudest, not the smartest, but somehow they are always the one everyone trusts and admires. Want to know their secret? It's the 24th law of power. Play the perfect courtier. And trust me, it's not about pretending. It's about mastering the art of influence in a way that feels effortless. Now, this isn't just for royalty or historical dramas. Whether you are navigating office politics, social circles, or even family dynamics, this law can change the game. But here's the kicker. It's not just about charm. It's a mix of strategy, observation, and knowing exactly how to make people feel like you are the one they need around. So, how do you do it? Let's dive in. Picture this. You have got great ideas, but your boss barely notices you, or maybe you're trying to reconnect with someone important, but it feels like they're just not interested. We all have been there, right? Here's the truth. Talent and hard work aren't enough. In the real world, the people who rise are the ones who understand relationships. They are not manipulative, but they know how to position themselves just right. That's what playing the perfect courtier is all about. Now, before you think, oh, is this just about sucking up to people? Hold on. Playing the perfect courtier doesn't mean being fake or losing your dignity. It's about making people want to be around you. Think about it. Who would you rather hang out with? Someone who's always complaining, or someone who lives the vibe of the whole room? Exactly. But how do you do this without being a people pleaser? That's the magic we're about to uncover. So, what does it take to be the perfect courtier? Observation. Pay attention to the details. Notice what makes people tick. Does your boss love coffee? Then surprise them with your favorite blend once in a while. It's these small touches that show you're paying attention. Adaptation. Be flexible. If you are in a group where everyone's serious, don't crack jokes. But if the room's casual, then loosen up. Courtiers know how to read the vibe and fit right in. Charm. Compliment people, but make it subtle. Instead of saying, "Whoa, you're amazing," try, "I really admire how you handle this situation." See the difference? It feels genuine and leaves a lasting impression. And here's a pro tip. Always leave others feeling better about themselves. That's the real secret sauce. Now, let's talk about the don'ts. Don't be too obvious, or it will backfire. And never try to outshine someone in power. It's a fast track to resentment. Instead, shine in a way that makes others feel like they're part of your success. Playing the perfect courtier is about lifting everyone up while subtly building your own reputation. It's like being the glue that holds everything together. Quiet, but indispensable. So, what's one situation in your life where you could play the perfect courtier? Is it at work, school, or even with friends? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're ready to unlock more life-changing strategies from the 48 Laws of Power, hit that subscribe button. Together, we'll decode the secrets of success, one law at a time.